Hello and welcome back to Eat Travel Fun. This is Mansi Oza, and today I'm going to do a very short but a very scenic hike in Thane. We have just started on our trail. As you can see behind me, the sun is rising. It looks amazing. Unlike the greenery, यहाँ पे you can see a dry grass. Behind me is the Thane city. Our idea was to see the sunrise from the top, but I think as soon as we started walking, the sun started coming up. So I think by the time we'll reach, the sunrise would have happened. Let's go and see. Entrance for this hike is from Tikiji-Ni-Wadi. I have also kept the Google location of the entrance in the description to enter. The cost for the ticket is around 77 rupees for an adult and 55 rupees for a child between the age of 5 to 12. We thought that we will be early, but surprisingly now we are seeing a lot of people returning back because they started on this hike when it was dark and they came back once the sunrise happened. Yeoor Hills is located in Thane side of Sanjay Gandhi National Park, also known as Mumbai's National Park. It is a place for trekkers and watchers. As you walk along the trail, you will see many people doing yoga or other form of exercise. Once you reach the top, you can see the national park on one side and Thane city on other.
Sometimes we act like a fool, not aware we're troublemakers. Sometimes we try to be cool, not being givers, only takers. Stop for a minute, stop and breathe for a minute. Don't get over your head, try to listen instead, won't you?
Went back from this side and now we came from this side. You climb the whole part, you go on the top and then you come down from the other side, and from here you continue back to the old trail. As we are coming down, we can see the sun coming up and straight into our eyes, but it's also lighting the path, and I think in next 20 minutes we will be down and off to explore the breakfast place. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section if you have been to this hike or planning to go there, and don't forget to subscribe for your weekly dose of e-travel fun.